Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can hide your posts in Instagram app very easily. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, make sure to put your likes under the video, and don't forget to write comments. So friends, let's get into this topic. And first of all, you will need to open your Instagram and go to your page here. Here you can easily find absolutely all the posts that you have. This includes reels as well as photos. And let's say if any of these posts you would like to hide from your followers, it's actually very easy to do that. All you have to do is just open the post. Then, at the top, on the right side of the post, click on the three dots and select the archive option here. Click on that. And, as you can see, in just a second the post is hidden and people who come to your page will not see it, and neither will you. This way you can easily hide your posts from people who you wouldn't want to see them. But what if you decide at some point to put such a post back on your page? You don't have to worry, it's easy to find and you don't have to repost it. In order to find the archived post, you'll need to click on the three dots on the top right side of your page. And then, friends, you'll either have to find the archive in a menu like this, like I did, or if you click on the three bars, you'll go to Settings. Then you'll find the archive in your settings. So, once you've gone to the archive, you'll probably, like me, you'll see the History Archive open up immediately. And you'll need to click in the center, right here, where the History Archive is, and select the Post Archive. That way, friends, you'll go to all the posts that were previously archived to be reposted. Click on a post, and then click on the three dots and select Return to Profile. And literally in just a second, as you can see, that post is back on the profile again. That's how you can easily hide your posts in the Instagram app, friends. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.